Previously on the channel, we've dished out a kitchen island hack starring none other than Ikea Kallax and revealed the secret sauce to turn your island into a microwave-wielding powerhouse. But folks, we're not done yet. Today, we'll cook up another heaping helping of genius to complete the video, so grab your aprons and buckle up for some culinary comedy. That's right, we're about to embark on a laughter-filled journey through the world of kitchen hacks and space-saving tactics. You'll chuckle, chortle, and maybe, just maybe, you'll finally find a place for that pesky blender that's been collecting dust on your countertop. So let's whip up some hilarity and serve up a piping hot plate of entertainment. Stay tuned as we dive into the wild, wacky, and wonderfully efficient world of kitchen makeovers. Trust us, you'll be laughing all the way to the dishwasher. The IKEA Kitchen Island project idea for cheap from Jules Yap. Alright folks, gather round. We've got a DIY project that's going to turn your kitchen from a snooze fest to a showstopper. And the best part? You won't need to sell your mortgage to afford it. Let's dive in. First, we've got the Kallax 2x2 shelf unit, the unsung hero of this kitchen island tale. You can go for two of them if you want a bigger island, but let's stick to one for now. Next, we've got the Pt.II legs, 8 centimeters, which you'll need 4 of to boost the Kallax. If you want to keep some things mobile, throw on some casters instead. Now, let's talk about the cherry on top of this kitchen island sundae, the lamp leg chopping board. You'll need 2 of them, and we'll use them as the countertop. But hold on, we're not done yet. We gotta protect those babies with some Sky DD wood treatment oil. And if you can't get your hands on that, food-grade mineral oil for wood will be okay. Grab some Brannis baskets or other Kallax inserts if you're feeling fancy. And of course, don't forget the 8-corner braces to secure the chopping boards onto the Kallax unit. Now, let's get to work. Assemble the Kallax per IKEA instructions, then add the Pt.II legs. Carefully flip the whole shebang over onto the legs. Next, place the chopping boards on top, but ensure they overhang the Kallax equally. Then, mark where to place the brackets, drill pilot holes, and screw them all together. And voila! You've got yourself a fancy pants kitchen island. Now, don't forget the finishing touch. Oil those chopping boards up with some Sky DD and step back to admire your handiwork. The IKEA DIY Kitchen Island with Thrifted Countertop. Alright folks, buckle up because we're going to reveal another DIY kitchen island that will make you want to ditch your old one faster than you can say meatball. We're talking 2 30-inch IKEA section base cabinets with 4 drawers each. And these aren't just any drawers, folks. We're talking clown car drawers that can hold everything from silverware to small appliances to espresso cups. And to top it off, they have a soft close feature. It's like a spa day for your kitchen. But wait, there's more. This island is also shiplapped on the sides and back, inspired by a beauty found in the cottage journal. And to add that modern farmhouse touch from the black iron Borgum handles from IKEA fit right in. And let's not forget the handyman behind it all, Rob. He cut the shiplap boards to support the 12-inch overhang for the stools and added some trim for that finished look. And thanks to his discovery of a tool for installing cabinet hardware, these oversized handles look like a pro installed them. And we can't forget to give a shout out to the designer of those amazing full-length drawers. They're the stuff of kitchen dreams, folks. IKEA is the way to go if you're looking for an organized kitchen. Now, we have to admit there is one con. These cabinets come flat-packed and have to be put together. But if you're familiar with IKEA instructions, which are only pictures, mind you, it's a small price to pay for such a great deal. So there you have it, folks, another DIY kitchen island that's sure to make your friends green with envy. And who knows, with those extra long drawers, you might even have social room for some deep discussion while munching some Swedish meatballs. The Rolling Kitchen Island Cart Project Idea. Alright folks, hold on to your kitchen utensils because I'm about to reveal another DIY kitchen cart that's gonna make you the talk of the town. First things first, you're gonna need some legs. And not just any legs, we're talking 4 legs cut from a 2x2 board. It's like building a table, but more exciting. Next up, it's time to make the upper end rails. Cut 2 of these bad boys to length from 1x3 boards, then drill some pocket holes like a pro. You'll be using your pocket hole jigsaw set up for 3/4 inch material, so don't mess it up. Now it's time for the divider. Cut this beauty to size from 3/4 inch plywood and then drill some pocket holes in the end panel. And don't forget those stopped holes to hold the shelf pins. We don't want any runaway shelves causing chaos in the kitchen. And to make this cart truly mobile, you will need some swivel casters on the bottom of each leg. Now, this cart is ready to roll wherever you need it. But we're not done yet, folks. It's time to make this cart look as good as it functions. Sand it down and get ready for the finishing touches. Apply some paint, stain, or both if you're feeling adventurous. This cart is going to be the star of your kitchen, after all. So there you have it, folks. Another DIY kitchen cart that's gonna make your friends jealous. It's like a mobile kitchen island, ready to roll into action whenever you need it. So go ahead. Take a bow. You deserve it for building such a masterpiece. A DIY rolling kitchen island transformation with zero chemical touch idea. Alright folks, get a spin on the next DIY project that will roll into your hearts and kitchens. We're talking about a butcher block cabinet that's about to become the rolling kitchen island of your dreams. And the best part, it all started with a lawnmower. That's right, during the transfer of this cabinet via lawnmower, the potential of this piece was fully realized. It was heavy, it was unusual, but most importantly, it had wheels. And who doesn't love a good rolling kitchen island? So the first step was to remove some unsightly hardware, those wooden knobby things, and some wooden plugs covering the screw holes. And let's not forget that decorative board across the front. It had to go, folks. But we couldn't just paint over that lovely butcher block wood. No. This called for the Surf Prep Sander with 80 grit paper. It's a game changer, folks, and if you do nothing else for yourself this year, get yourself this tool. Now let's talk wheels. Adding wheels to any piece of furniture takes a little planning. You have to turn it upside down and check for any structural issues, and shocker, there were none of these pieces. But the selected wheels weren't fitting in. Luckily, a stable base was sufficient to rescue the mission. A piece of 2x4 screwed to the butcher block did the trick, and just like that, a butcher block cabinet became the rolling kitchen island of your dreams. So next time you're mowing your lawn, keep your eyes peeled for hidden DIY gems. You never know what you might find. The Ikea Hack DIY Kitchen Island Project by Erica Massey. Hold on a second, folks, because I stumbled upon a brilliant Ikea hack a few moons ago that'll have you sing double. Erica Massey from Dallas, Texas, has found a way to nearly double the storage space in her kitchen, and it only cost her less than $200. And you know what they say, when life gives you limited storage space, make a DIY kitchen island out of Ikea components. Now, Erica's no stranger to Ikea hacks. She's already got a tall bed with storage for her and her furry friend Deacon, but this kitchen island is on a whole other level. It looks good, provides storage space, and even has room for eating. And get this, folks, Erica swears she and her friends can even sit and lean on it. That's a bold claim, but we're willing to take her word for it. So how did Erica put it all together, you ask? Well, she got herself some silicone caulk from Home Depot and some angle brackets to attach the 2 pieces together. She put a bead of caulk all the way around the edge in a zigzag pattern down the middle and stuck the tabletop on. Then she stacked a bunch of books on top and gave it 24 hours to fully adhere. And let me tell you, folks, that caulk was probably enough, but Erica went the extra mile and added 2 brackets on the bar stool side just for extra support. And let's talk about stability, shall we? Erica filled up the base and even tried sitting on the bar stool edge of the tabletop to see if it would wobble. And guess what? It was solid. Even after several months of use, Erica is still very happy with her affordable and cute mobile kitchen island. But Erica does have one piece of advice for all you DIYers out there. Seal the tabletop immediately. She made the mistake of eating strawberries over it before sealing it and now has a little red stain on one corner. And let's be real, folks, no one wants a strawberry-stained kitchen island. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.